The Shona proverb we are looking at today is: what does this proverb mean? It means very often, a parent will reproach a child for a mistake. But when the parent makes the same mistake, he will resent the reprimand. This proverb normally applies to all in authority who can do what they like without fear of being reprimanded by juniors. I will leave you to listen to a short story that will bring out the meaning of this proverb in a clear and relatable way. The Hypocritical Chief is a compelling African story set in a traditional Shona village. It follows the journey of Tari, a wise and respected elder, and Chief Moyo, who rules the village with an iron hand but is often hypocritical in his actions. The story reveals the hypocrisy of those in power and emphasizes the importance of fairness and accountability. The Hypocritical Chief is a compelling African story set in a traditional Shona village. It follows the journey of Tari, a wise and respected elder, and Chief Moyo, who rules the village with an iron hand but is often hypocritical in his actions. The story reveals the hypocrisy of those in power and emphasizes the importance of fairness and accountability. In the heart of the Shona lands, nestled among the rolling hills and lush greenery, lay the village of Hond. Led by Chief Moyo, the village was a place of vibrant culture and strict traditions. Rabi's mistake. One day, during a communal task, Rabi, the daughter of the wise elder Tari, accidentally spilled water. Though a minor mistake, it caught the eye of Chief Moyo. Chief Moyo, sternly: "Rabi, you must be more careful. Such carelessness is unacceptable." Rabi, apologetically: "I am sorry, Chief. It was an accident." The chief's hypocrisy. Days later, during a ceremonial event, Chief Moyo himself spilled water. Tendai, a brave young villager, pointed out the mistake. Tendai: "Chief, you should be careful. Such accidents can happen to anyone." Chief Moyo, angrily: "How dare you reprimand me? I am the chief." Tari's wisdom. Observing the hypocrisy, Tari and Elder Munia decided to address the issue. They met under the ancient baobab tree, a symbol of wisdom and knowledge. Tari said, "Elder Munia, it is time we remind the chief that fairness and accountability apply to all." Elder Munia: "Indeed, Tari. Let us speak to him with the support of the villagers." The village gathering. The village gathered in the main square, adorned with traditional decorations. Tari and Elder Munia spoke with conviction, addressing both the villagers and the chief. Tari: "Chief Moyo, we respect your authority, but fairness must be upheld. If we reprimand the young for their mistakes, we too must accept our faults." Elder Munia: "A leader's strength lies in their humility and fairness, not in their immunity from reproach." The chief's realization. Chief Moyo, touched by the wisdom and courage of his people, reflected on his actions. The ancient baobab tree seemed to whisper the truths he had long ignored. Chief Moyo, softly, said, "Tari, Munia, you speak the truth. I have been unfair. From this day, I vow to lead with humility and fairness." The celebration of fairness. And so, under the bright African sky, the village celebrated a new dawn of fairness and unity. Chief Moyo, now a leader of humility, joined the festivities with a renewed spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel for more tales of wisdom, tradition, and the enduring spirit of the Shona people.